Oh, what's up, everybody? My name's Jake, and remember that meme stock movement thing back in the day with the AMC, the GameStop, the BlackBerry, all that? BlackBerry didn't do nothing, though. Like that one, it kind of just fell and then never came back up with the rest of them. But, alright, so I got another stock that is like extremely risky that has huge upside potential, right? And that stock is the one and only Chinese sector Alibaba, right? So if you buy into Alibaba, you don't actually own the shares of the company, and it's like, I guess it's facing possible delisting, which is what everybody thinks that's going to happen. And everybody sold out of the stock, and recently it had a 39% jump in one day, which was a record for that stock in general. Just that stock. All right. And I think that if you're a huge risk taker, like people that bought into the AMC meme stock movement, like what's more riskier than that? I don't think Alibaba's riskier than that. Now, I'm not telling anybody that it's a good buy. I'm just saying that if you like taking risk, I don't know, it's just something I do with a tiny percentage of my portfolio. I haven't really bought into the company, and I don't suggest that anybody buys into it. But I think it's like a huge risk with huge reward, right? The bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. And I wouldn't say there's much risk in Alibaba, except the fact that everybody thinks that it's going to be delisted, and that people don't really trust the Chinese, right? They don't trust the Chinese stock market. And the regulatory environment in the Chinese stock market, it's a little fishy, right? So investors are scared of that company. Are you scared of the company? I'm really not scared of investing in the company. I mean, you're not actually investing in the company. You're investing in like a workaround of the company, So if you buy shares in Alibaba, you don't actually like have any say in what happens in the company as an investor. Like if you put in like $10 million, you don't get shit. Unless you're like Warren Buffett or something, then I'm sure you got a little say. But Alibaba is like a very good profitable company. Ooh, look, it just hit $100. On my Robinhood it says I have about $98. So I only put about 50 bucks in because I just wanted to like watch it on my portfolio. Alright, I wanted to see it on my portfolio, but let me tell you, Robinhood is my shit garbage stock portfolio, okay? So on Robinhood, I only buy like shitty stocks. Not all of them are shitty, because I do have Apple and stuff, but I did buy a bunch of garbage. You know how they say shit coins? I say shit stocks. I bought a bunch of those because Robinhood was the first account I had. But I definitely changed my ways in investing, and I've learned a lot of things. Okay, so if you look at the financials, right? Alibaba is crushing it, okay? So their revenue was 242 billion and their net income was 20 billion. And I don't think this is measured in yen. I think it's in US dollars. And then, Q3, they had a net income of 5 billion, revenue 200 billion, Q2, 205 billion, income 45 billion out of the 200 they made, and they lost about 5 billion in Q1 of 2021. So they are very profitable. They make a lot of money. It's like the Amazon, but in China, and they're bigger than Amazon, and they kind of make more money than Amazon. But I mean, this is such a solid company, and they are growing. They didn't really grow in the last year over year. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. But like it's with like the regulatory market in China, like they haven't figured everything out, and it's a possible delisting in America. But I think they confirmed or have suspicions that it might not be delisted. And I think if you want to take a big risk, I mean, Alibaba kind of sounds like a good risk-taking stock, like what can be more risky than investing in a Chinese stock that just fell like 300% or something? No, it fell like 90%, 70%. No, not that much. How much did it fall? It fell from like $300 to $70. Yeah, look, 1 year ago, okay, so its 52-week high was $245. I think they said at one point, yeah. One point it was 300 bucks. Today, the 52-week low is 73, and then it shot all the way back up to 100. There's so much upside potential in this company. Like, this company could go back to 300. I think that it could possibly hit even bigger levels than that. It's just people don't really trust it. But once people do have trust in the Chinese market, if they ever have trust, which is why it's super risky, super high reward, then it's going to go up. It's going to keep going up like it's been. It could go up like 5% every day over a year, and you can like come out with $400. At one point, I think I looked at the fair value, and it's like Amazon level prices. Like this company should be pretty much where Amazon is. However, they do have a $272 billion market cap. Their PE ratio is 26, which means that it's a pretty fair value right now. Like, it's a good time to get in. Maybe if it drops a little bit lower. I think it's a little high right now. But, I mean, I want to see what happens with this stock before I start actually buying into it. Maybe it'll hit $50 a share, which would be awesome. Because that would be like a super good time to get into it. I can't believe their market cap is like $250 billion. Still. So, you know, I'm just Googling this shit. So, I mean, I wouldn't take much of a word from Google. So, does Alibaba have a moat? It says Alibaba's long-term moat, growth, and profitability lie in its cloud platform, B2B enterprise businesses, and more hardcore technical innovations. That's where I suspect Munger found Alibaba appealing. Otherwise, he would have invested in the company many years ago, not 2021. So, Charlie Munger bought a lot of Alibaba and just lost a shit ton of money because, like, that shit crashed, right? But Charlie Munger bought into Alibaba because he trusts Chinese stocks, and I think that he's probably loading up on it right now if he actually believes in the company. And what is B2B anyways? Business to business site connects suppliers with buyers across the globe on a single market platform. Suppliers manufacture and sell products in bulk to buyers looking for inventory for their companies. So I actually went on Alibaba the one day, and you can actually like contact the sellers. Like, you pretty much have to contact the sellers. You tell them what you want. You can have them customize your stuff for you. Like, if you want to get this cool like necklace that says Lee on it, like this shirt, then you can have that custom made for you, or you can put your name or whatever you want. Get it super cheap. You can get 1,000 shirts if you want to sell those on like eBay, or you're gonna have your own custom merch, right? So if I started a merch line for my 80 subscribers, which I am very grateful for, by the way, and I think that, you know, I could make some merch and then sell it out of my house, and then, you know, make a bunch of money and a decent profit. And I am actually excited. I think I got 50 subscribers now, which is awesome. Let's see what I got. 81 subscribers. Oh my god, yo, I am so excited. Thank you guys so much. And with that, I think I'm gonna end this video. But if you were like some crazy meme investor, Alibaba's a good fucking stock. I'm not telling anyone to buy it, but it's good, you know, to make your like savings account. Like, if you have a 10-year plan to like save up money for 10 years, maybe make a down payment, maybe like collect a college fund, and then, you know, your retirement account like your Roth, and then, you know, like use like 10% of your portfolio to fuck around, or do whatever you want. I don't give a shit, but that's up to you. But I'm not telling anyone what to do. This is just my opinion, and I think that Alibaba would be a very good risky play that you can make a lot of money on. I don't know though, whatevs. And also, I really like Snapchat. I don't know why, but I use Snapchat, and I think that company is going to freaking go to the moon. I actually talked about it at 28 bucks. It went up to like $33. It was up 10% the day after I talked about it. Not saying that I'm some kind of genius, because I was hoping that it fell more. I thought it might go down a little more. But like after the interest rate increase, everything shot up like 10%. Literally everything shot up 10%. Almost everything, I'm guessing. But everything on my portfolio did. Anyways, have a good day. Like and subscribe. That would help so much. I freaking like, all my subscribers are awesome. What's that, babe? Oh, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, thanks, babe, for reminding me. But yeah, everybody have a good night. Like, subscribe. Oh, and it would help if you hit the like button, because I'm a small channel and I'm trying to get out there. And if you like my videos, help me out. I like it. And if you made it this far, you're freaking awesome. Thank you.